What's up, guys? Quad Illegal here. I farted and a poopy almost slipped out.
It's so close.
I can't do it, right?
What the fuck was that? You fucking said.
Peter, what are you doing?
I'm gonna step back.
I was just defending him and you took it completely out of context.
Oh my god, everybody shut up.
Yeah, my bad.
Oh my god, bro, where's this meso at?
He tags into this Dominator 3.
Oh, there it is. There it is, off to the west.
Get another Joplin.
Oh, I see meso developing.
We're about to get like a freaking Ryan, Iowa 1974 type corrupt.
Gotta go south.
Yeah, go. I'm gonna turn around. You can hop in after.
Yeah.
Okay, get in.
Norman, stop at the tornado sign right here. Oh, there's a circulation on the ground. There's a tornado on the ground.
It's down, this is the one.
That reminds me of like Parker's.
There it goes.
There it goes.
It's heading towards him.
Oh, it's a freaking bulb tornado.
Yeah, here. Yeah, here's a big one.
Oh.
Yo, it's a dick tip tornado.
Gigantic.
We gotta put on some worthy music right now. I have my Storm Chasers playlist.
Oh, yeah. All right, look. Yo Caro and Trar.
Yeah,
I'm backing up. This thing is going right into Hibbing.
yeah.
Oh my god,
Tree's
dude.
flying. Hibbing's getting hit
It's
right now.
orange, so we should be fine right now.
Oh wow.
Actually, better yet, yeah.
I'm gonna deploy the. Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's hitting the city. Oh wow. Okay.
Hibbing just got lucky as fuck.
I'm gonna deploy because I know
It's
this
over
is
the
gonna
water right
rapidly
now, but it's heading right
intensify.
towards the forest. Oh, lots of trees getting. Oh my god, there's trees everywhere.
Green eater.
Good
Yeah,
lord.
it looks like EF2 damage maximum in prison.
Oh, I'm going in again for another intercept. We're about to see. I'm already getting 70. I'm not even inside of it.
Is this thing non-condensed?
Alright, we have a 2.
It's red.
It's getting close to high end 2 right now. Oh, it's a 3. It's a 3.
Guys, there's a storm up north.
Oh my god, look at this dude. Look at the motion right at the ground.
That EF3 tree damage moment.
Oh, look at the motion right at the base.
Okay.
Okay.
Major
Oh,
tree
now you can get out.
here.
Look at the barn.
Tornado heading towards Hibbing again.
Look at the barn.
Wow,
Another
that's
tornado heading towards Hibbing.
There's a big wall cloud and a fat stovepipe. Oh my gosh, that's a
And
big
Lord says the
tornado.
new tornado.
Oh, it's very close to a town. Original tornado getting very close to a town.
Yeah, the new tornado's huge.
Oh, yikes.
Is it? Oh, it's coming the same way
I
too.
see Hibbing, but I can't see the damn tornado.
Are there
The
wedges
wall
in this
cloud's
game?
huge.
We're in a
Yes, there are
perfect
wedges
spot.
in this game.
Oak, we're in a perfect spot. If we wanted to go north,
Current one
tornado
is
would be
not
right there.
wedge though, right?
I don't think
I
so.
can't see it because I'm not even close to it yet.
This one's dying, so I'm gonna turn
Oh,
around.
wow.
I see to hear the sirens going off.
Oh,
in
wow,
Hibbing.
look at that damage.
Big tornado.
Big stovepipe.
big
I didn't
damage.
I just saw a glimpse of it.
Big
I
tornado.
don't see anybody, so we're just gonna keep going.
Alright, well, that looks like about EF2, EF3 damage to that
Tornado,
barn.
big tornado. Big tornado.
Big tornado up north. Which storm is it? Which storm
North.
is it?
There it is. There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
Photogenic
Now I see
tornado.
that.
Very photogenic.
Oh, we have asphalt. We have a road scoured away over here. I think this tornado might actually be weakening. It's shrinking.
Yeah, it does look like.
Yeah, it's dying. Well, that sucked. With the first day being essentially a bust, no EF5s, we decided to press on to day 2. And none of us had any clue what was about to happen.
Come to the gas station in Funkley. I am a worker there.
No.
I'm gonna blow up your fucking convenience store.
We have a saw. Nice.
No! Go on.
How do I? Alright, let me exit out of the damn.
You trying to crazy run on 3
Oh,
my god.
Students, we're Jason Voorhees. Let's go get this son of a bitch.
That's
You
good.
can't get in.
You will see any. Yes,
This is gonna be like a really significant day.
I wish this was like real life. 78 over 72, please.
Should be able to head out and we'll start chasing.
Got some June 17th, 2010 stuff to chase.
Oh, storms went up.
Where?
Oh, storm just went up.
Where?
West Hazleton.
West of Hazleton?
West of Hazleton?
Active initiation.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Storm
Oh
motion.
yeah, I see that. Oh, that's a big tornado. That's a big meso that just developed.
Ground circulation.
We have a tornado on the ground or just
Oh yeah,
a wall
tornado on the ground.
Where should I spawn?
What direction is this thing moving?
northeast. Oh yeah, there it is. It's a pencil. There it goes. It's hitting the ground.
we go.
First tornado of the day.
That's gonna get big.
This thing is rapidly expanding already. Here's Tom.
It's a tornado right over right now.
I already got winds of 100 miles an hour.
Got what?
101.
This is the tornado. Nashville, March 3, 2020 moment.
It's already orange, by the way. It's already orange, by the way. It's a little bit of a problem.
Do you see that tree?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see that.
Already up to EF2 wins.
Yep, that's a strong tornado. Alright, where should I turn at if I want to get in front of this thing again?
East. Go east.
Yeah.
Not now, but the next road.
Right, yeah.
Go. There's Helix.
Take a left here. No, that's not, no. It's right way.
You said take a left here, though.
No,
Storm to the south. Storm to the
Up there.
south. Storm to the south.
Shit.
Right, go south. Gotta get south now. There's a new storm. This thing's gonna go off the
Peter,
map.
you gotta turn around, man.
Oh yeah, there is a new storm.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, that is a big meso. Look at my string.
It's like Bennington.
Oh,
Yeah, dude, it literally looks like
Large
Bennington.
As fast as I can.
Ground circulation.
Are we on gas again?
Big tornado. Big tornado.
We're just above,
Big tornado.
we're just above half.
Big tornado touching down. Big tornado. Big stovepipe. It is good. It's huge. It's huge.
If it shifts a little bit more east, that could be fucking important.
Dude, that thing is huge.
We got high end EF3 winds.
Once we get to Funky, turn west. We're gonna have to meet it there.
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, this tornado's weakening now.
I wish we could go a little faster to dominate.
Oh, that's
We can
going,
only go
guys,
for
that's going right towards Hazleton.
You might want to turn around.
I'm just gonna do a loop. Oh my god, dude, that thing is
Did you say,
huge.
Anthony, would you say when we get to Funkley, we turn
Go east. Go east. Anthony, go east.
next intersection? Oh, I just saw it in my reflection. Oh my god, that thing is huge.
Oh, I gotta go. Anthony, go east. It's gonna hit Hazleton.
Yeah, I see the Funkley tornado from here. That thing is huge.
Anthony, go east. It's gonna hit Hazleton.
I know.
Oh my god, there's so much
I'm
debris.
turning left at this intersection.
There's so much debris
I
flying.
got a really good perspective of this.
There's so much debris.
Alright,
There's
here
so
we
much
go.
debris.
Go.
Oh yeah.
Good lord, dude.
I'm about to have
Violent tornado ongoing. Violent tornado. Tori. Oh my god, dude. It is violent.
Oh my god.
Gio, go!
Go north.
Everybody go north. Everybody go north. North.
No,
Go.
we're gonna turn north. Keep going.
How much
Oh, I see you guys. I see you
One
guys.
wins on the outer circulation.
Yeah, I don't even have that strong of winds right now. There's
100.
trees flying right near us.
100, 106.
Oh my god, dude.
Turning east.
Go. Go north. Go north.
Stop here, deploy!
Go north. Giant wedge. Go north.
Oh my god, I'm
The
lagging.
barn is about to go. The
God damn
barn
it.
is about to go. The barn's going. Debris.
I'm losing internet right
The
now.
roof just peeled off.
It's a huge wedge. Huge.
The roof just peeled off.
God damn it, please update.
The roof just peeled off.
I can't deploy because there's my game is frozen.
The roof just peeled off. The barn is going. Debris flying.
Anthony's literally having a stroke.
I can't deploy because my internet.
Silos are going. Go. Everybody go north.
There we go, I'm back.
Tori.
We're fine. We're
Oh
fine.
my god, dude. Violent wedge. Good
Where are
lord.
we?
We're behind it.
Well, I deployed for a
Towards 2
second and then I
o'clock. Get on the road.
Go.
I see the road.
Helix, don't get out. There's the wind speeds are really.
169.
We have a problem.
Go. Violent tornado.
Getting high end EF3 wins on the outer circulation. Racco on behind it.
Got lifted! I got lifted! You told me to go further!
Oh my god. Debris. Big tornado. Violent motion. Hitting town right now. I'm getting 58. I'm trying to get out of here. Power flash is about to hit the National Weather Center.
Oh wow, we got.
Oh, debris. Big debris. Oh my god. It's right over the overpass.
I need a TV now.
I don't know if I can right now. I'm getting 91.
Sorry, Anthony.
I'm sitting right on the highway. Oh, debris! Debris ahead of me! Debris! The warehouse is going. The warehouse is going. Big debris! Big debris! Oh my god! Good lord!
This is going right.
Go, 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 go.
Where am I right now?
Big debris. Massive tornado.
Behind us.
Massive tornado.
Shit. Wait, what the 10 killer?
Oh my god, dude! Oh!
It's going.
I'm airborne. I'm airborne. I'm airborne.
Oh my god.
Violent tornado. Good lord.
Dude, I can't even. I'm already shaking. Oh my god, I can't even.
Flash, go.
Go, 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 go.
That thing is
Oh, I
huge.
see. I'm right next to you, Gio. Gio, I'm right next to you.
The debris ball. on
Norman,
radar.
Norman, go north. Norman, go north.
Cool, this
Power
way.
flash, power flash. Go, 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 go.
10 killer's about to get a direct
Go,
hit.
go,
I'm
go.
watching this
Oh
right
my
now.
god, dude.
Fuck, dude.
220.
Alright.
223.
This is
Power flashes. Oh god.
Oh my god, dude.
228.
It's so violent.
230.
Back up.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Completely like rained out.
We're only getting 35 here, but still, it's coming right at us. Big debris ball. Debris ball, debris ball. Look at the debris ball.
I'm in the pit of darkness right now.
It was just hit 10 killer directly.
Yeah, I'm in 10 killer right now. I can't move.
Peter,
Look at my
Peter,
dot.
Peter, go east.
Godspeed.
I can't see the tornado.
Peter, go east now.
10 killer's getting wiped.
Johnson, what road are we taking after
We're probably gonna try to get to
Oh my God,
Andrewsier or
large
Wadena.
tornado hitting 10. Oh my god, my dog drive!
Oh my god, 10 killer just got nated on.
Oh dude, yeah, 10 killer.
The windfield is ridiculous.
this? The wind field is
We gotta go.
ridiculously large. This thing is like 2
We gotta go,
miles
we gotta
wide.
go. We got debris being thrown at us.
It's an EF5.
Oh! The tip behind us just got hit by
I
debris.
saw that.
See the bear's cage.
Yeah, 10
Johnson,
killers.
sweep back up. This thing is. Oh, tower's down.
Yeah, tower just
down.
got torn up. Gio, turn left. Go, 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 go. Gio, look at the tree line. Gio, look at the tree line.
Oh,
Taking it right now.
God, I just got pulled in again!
Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in.
where's the trap house in Wadena?
Helix, get in!
Johnson, we can't stay here. We
I
gotta
know,
go. We
I'm
gotta
trying to go south.
No, we gotta go.
Oh my
No,
God.
man, we can't do this. Gotta go, gotta go. Johnson, turn around.
I know, no, no, no,
Power
no.
flash is where I am.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Oh gosh,
There's the trap house.
We're going to the trap house. We're going to the trap house.
Boy, over.
We're going to Andrewsia. We're going to
This
Andrewsia.
house is
What home are you guys in? What color?
It's north of Wadena.
White with a blue roof.
White with a blue roof?
North of Wadena's getting slabbed.
What? White with a blue
There's
roof.
a house north of Wadena getting slabbed as we speak.
Oh, you guys are over there. I gotta turn around then. I gotta make that quick. Jill, turn around. Turn around, turn around, turn around.
Is it?
Oh,
What
shit.
did he
Go
get?
east, go east. Is it?
Did he get?
I don't think it's
Oh my
weakening yet.
gosh, Major debris in the air. Major damage littered out their town right now.
It's still pink. That might not hit us, guys. That might go to the north. To the west, rather.
Oh, that's good.
We should be fine. Was 10 killer like literally wiped off the map?
Literally wiped off.
Gio, get in the house.
Come on. I want to watch it.
You're gonna
Hold
get
on.
thrown, dude.
It's missing us. We'll be
No, it's
fine.
not, Gio! There's debris flying. I'm kind of glad we didn't take shelter there. We were just there.
I'm checking on this. I'm checking
Oh
on this
my
one that just
God,
got
dude.
slabbed.
Helix, what's your wind speeds?
Injuries just north of Wadena.
There's a
this
storm
house.
north of, south of Helma.
Oh my god, look at it. Holy shit.
What? Where?
We got
Oh my
fatalities.
god. Oh my god, it's gonna level those houses. It's gonna level those houses.
Completely
Oh,
gone.
guys, look on the back side of it. It's taking the debris with it in the ghost train.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, we're fine. It's going off the map. I think we're safe to go investigate damage
Whoever's in
now.
that there's fatalities up there on that house. Yeah. There's two.
Oh my god, dude.
Okay.
Holy cow.
Dude, there's like a 3-mile wide swath. It's complete ground scouring.
He's a 10 killer.
Oh my god, there's nothing
I
left
them
of
all.
town. I don't see any, like, actual debris.
God damn, 10 killer cooked a direct hit. Alright, we're coming in right now to 10 killer. Oh my god. This is the most incredible damage I've ever seen in this game. Holy shit.
I'd say it's definitely EF5 225.
Bro!
I have 15 fatalities and like 17 injuries so far.
Okay, stop. We're here, Ted. We're here, Andrew. We're
This
here.
might be the most casualties I've ever seen.
Alright, stop. Stop, Andrew. Stop.
And I'm
stop.
not even done yet.
All storms are dead, and today's risk is a high risk. We have
Yeah,
another high risk with even better conditions than yesterday. I think the tornado, if we're having, is going to be in your hip. It's going to develop in your hipping, so I'm going to head down that direction.
And guess where that's heading? 10 killer.
I'm up next to
it's
like.
moving in the direction of 10 killer.
It's probably gonna touch down again.
Tornado warning.
Tornado warning.
And it's heading towards 10 killer.
Oh, it's down. It's down. Ground circulation.
Where? I don't see it.
It's throwing trees.
Oh, I see it.
Zoom in.
I see it. I
It's
see
throwing
it.
trees.
Alright, I'm going this direction. Oh,
Yeah.
lots of tree damage. Lots of trees being thrown.
Yeah.
It's still weak damage though. I'm watching.
Alright, time to bail north.
It's going north.
Alright.
I'm going north.
I might
Yeah,
go
I'm
like
going
even
north,
more
too.
north than Hazleton.
I need to get a good deployment on this thing. Is this the first time Hazleton finally gets hit?
Knowing our luck, it's gonna just miss.
Alright, I'm getting north right now.
What the Dow doing?
That's gonna get really strong.
EDS.
Oh, yeah.
Go north, and we can take that highway around Hazleton.
Alright.
Because it's not gonna hit Hazleton, I'm pretty sure. At most, it'll hit the outskirt. Oh, it's Ping TVS. Ping TVS, by the way. Kind of glad I didn't go up there. I'm behind it now. Oh, debris from the house is going ahead of me. Debris.
Yeah, tornado is doing house damage now.
Breezy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, please get me the fuck out.
He's in the game, but he's like.
Oh, it's getting really big.
Are you scanning this
I'm gonna
breezy or
start
no?
recording this because I think.
Oh, who just got thrown? Somebody got thrown.
DTP.
Large tornado doing severe damage.
Somebody's airborne right
I
now.
need a TP.
Hold on,
I'm going in
Norman.
again.
Somebody's being.
Texas man got 130.
Somebody's being thrown
Texas
right
man
now.
has 150.
Oh, Norman, is that you?
Oh dude, it's gonna hit us, dude, I swear.
I just saw a car get
That
thrown
was
into
Norman,
the
I think.
tornado.
Hey, there's a tornado down to the south. Tornado down to the south.
Okay, thank you.
100. Okay, we might be okay. We might be okay. We might be okay.
Tornado's like far off the map. I'm not making it down there.
We're
Care
trying
less
to get
about
there.
that tornado.
Spikes deploying.
I can hear the
Oh my
roar.
god. Holy fuck. Dude, we beat that by like 3 seconds. By the way, we got
180. Oh, big debris in there.
Driving on
Oh yeah, debris being lofted. Debris being lofted. Right. Oh my god.
Palisade is taking a
Big
direct
debris
hit.
ball. Big debris ball.
We're dodging debris right now.
Oh dear.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
debris,
God.
Watch out, Johnson.
debris just got launched into Hazel.
Oh, the roof got torn off of the warehouse. That's what that was. Oh my god, town got nay-nayed on.
Oh
There's a
my
car
gosh.
flying. There's a
Big
car
tornado.
flying. Somebody's airborne. I don't know who it is.
Power lines.
Dude, I can't believe we deployed.
Yeah, I see it. Thank you, Norman.
Like
Dude, we
0.3
were like
seconds
literally.
later, bro.
Yeah, straight up, we would have died.
Oh my god, the Palisade's gone. There's nothing left. The entire town's eviscerated. The slap.
imagine that.
There may be fatalities to the
Someone just drove
Alright
through a
guys, we
bunch
gotta
of
go
Palisades.
south. Gotta go south. Dude, look at the freaking that's a wedge. Look at the meso.
PDS west of Funkley.
Oh
Sick.
shit, yeah, I could see the meso. That's huge.
Oh gee.
Oh, I see the meso. Oh my god, that meso is huge.
Looks like a giant stovepipe.
That meso is gigantic.
Barn damage on me. Barn damage.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Guys, gigantic wedge.
Oh, we gotta go north.
Gigantic wedge.
Oh, there's a storm to the south. There's a storm to the south that's gonna be going due north.
Dude, that thing's huge. Oh my god, dude, look at the motion.
Yeah,
Look at the curling rain. Oh, there go trees. That barn. There goes the barn.
Luckily,
There goes the barn.
Luckily, this thing is like not close to
The barn is going. The roof is tearing off.
Oh,
The silo just got ripped in half.
A tornado in downtown Starbuck right now. Tornado literally just.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah. Tornado down south was deviating completely north.
Oh my god. I'm deploying, deploy. Do not get out.
We're gonna drive right into this.
Oh
bitch.
my god.
Oh shit.
Tornado warning for Helma. Helma's about to get a direct hit.
Lock.
Winds are
Oh,
rapidly
come on,
increasing.
please.
No, why?
Oh crap with this Dow. I guess.
Oh, it's not.
Here goes Gio.
Quit it.
30.
121,
I think it's weakening.
120, 130. It might be
140.
Damage on the interstate.
This might be it, dude.
There it is. 200.
192. Oh my god, dude, we're not even in it yet.
Anthony.
He's in the tip behind me.
Oh, he's
Yeah, I'm sitting directly behind you, basically. 208, 210, 209. I peaked at 209.
This right here is still going up.
Dude, look at the motion at the base.
A large tornado, almost wedge. Wedge tornado down south.
Alright, I'm heading down
Large
south.
debris. Large debris.
Oh well.
It's debarking trees.
Go north, go north, go
Tornado
north,
down
go north,
south.
go north, go north, go north, for the love of God.
Spawned in along.
Oh, damn it. Stop! Come on!
I'm going.
Oh, no. Houses are getting eviscerated.
I'm getting 98.
Okay, it's only at 151. It's only at 151.
Anthony, it is right behind us.
I think it's
Nick's
got another.
Dude, we got another high risk.
Oh yeah, we got.
What? Serious?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this just might barely miss us. It's dying, by the way.
It is weakening based on radar.
I'm gonna
I can see
undeploy.
it, but it's weakening.
I need a TP. Hold
Yeah, this thing is done. This thing is done. It's weakening.
This tornado is done for.
on. I'm getting I'm getting EF3 wins on the outer circulation of it.
You can't do it in this game.
Water tower's gone.
That's not very nice.
Oh! Why did you get in there?
You dumbass. Wait, I can push the too.
I saw that happen.
Oh my god.
Fucking DDC.
Did you see that? Hold on. That was sick. It's so wide. Alright, we're getting near 180 wind speeds. It's not my fault.
Oh my god.
I was too critically motivated, man. Come on. Get better.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped out. What? My dad tried to meet me with a cast iron pan.
You do the part of the like perfect.
What's up, guys? Quad Illegal here. I farted and a poopy almost slipped out. What the fuck was that? You fucking said what the fuck was that? Who just flipped their fucking charger?